I'm going to show you how to make money online for free. And guess what? It's worldwide. You asked, I listened. You want all countries. So I gave you all countries. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Shelly, but I don't have any skills. Don't worry about it because I'm going to show you what to do step by step. But first, if you like learning different methods to make money online, then do me a favor and smash that subscribe button and definitely ring the bell. All right, guys, I help people make money online. Do me a favor and let me know in the comments if you have made your first $100 online because I want to help you. Okay, now stay with me because I'm going to throw all kinds of sites at you. Just hang in here with me, okay? I promise you're going to like this. And guess what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about logos. And my favorite site is, boom, Canva! Everybody knows Canva. And if you don't have a link, I have one down below in the description. And it's free. It's absolutely free. And it is so easy. But it's okay. If you hang on a second, I'm going to show you another site. I'm going to give you so many options that you won't fail with this, okay? And I'm telling you, you can make hundreds of dollars if you listen to me. So, this is Canva. Did I tell you it's free? Let's look up logos. I use Canva all the time. Okay, they have all kinds of stuff. Boom, I saw pink. La, la, la. Okay, on this, but you have it where you can change the background. You can insert stuff. I'm just being cute. But I mean, you know what I mean. You can change, and then right here you can change you can do some stuff too. Also, I'll put up here just because I did a video on creating thumbnails, and it can help you create this too. So this is the Funky Cosmetics, and all you gotta do is you click on download. Okay, and then when it's done, just look. Usually it's on your hard drive under downloads, and there it is. Pretty easy. Let me show you another one. All right, this site is hatchful.shopify.com. Has nothing to do with Shopify, I promise. And this is just another way, it's free to create logos. And listen, you might be thinking, Shelly, I don't want to create any logos, but just stay here with me and I'm going to show you how you can make really good money with it, okay? And it's really easy. Just get started. Health and beauty. Next. Creative. Next. Business name. Cosmic. Fun. I was going to do beauty, but it was a longer word. Next. Online stores, social media. Next. See? Kinda cool. Huh, this one looks kind of different, doesn't it? I like that. Let's see. You know, you can play, you can change the fonts, the icon, the layouts. You kind of get the idea. No. But anyways, then you just click next and then download it. And then of course you have to create your account. I enter my email address and password. That's it. I just didn't want to show my email address. And then it pops up and it says that it sent the picture to my email. So then check your email. That's it. Pretty simple. And that didn't take very long, did it? Now you're wondering, what am I supposed to do with it, Shelly? Like, okay, this is what you're gonna do with your logos. We're gonna go to this site. Okay, the first site that you're gonna be able to make money off of your logo is DesignCrowd.com. So on here, you can look at the categories and you can see that it has, I mean, they have logos, but they have all kinds of other stuff. I mean, WordPress design, landing page design, oh my gosh, I mean, 3D design, email, you name it. Oh my goodness. And something you're going to want to see is if you go over to designers And then we click on designers by country, see more, because look at this. United Kingdom, India, United States, Chile, India, Mongolia, okay, Siberia, Georgia. So anybody can do this and use this site worldwide, okay? So everybody's included. Now, do you want to know how much that you can make? You can make up to 6 figures if you really wanted to. If you go to designers, logo designers, look at this. I mean, you can actually make a lot of money doing this. And I just think of this stuff as a side hustle. But goodness, this is some good money. Now, check this out. If you go to jobs, click on jobs, logo designers, there's people willing to pay hundreds of dollars for a logo. Now, the only bad thing is you have to bid for them. But even if you got one, that's still hundreds of dollars, $300 for one logo. That's okay. But listen, if you're thinking, you know what, this isn't for me, I don't want to do the whole bidding thing, which if it was up to me, I would do both of these. But there's another option. You can also create your own gig on other sites. And of course, I'm going to show you those other sites. And I know you're probably thinking, hey, she's fixing to say Fiverr. Okay, you could put your gig out on Fiverr, yes, but it is really crowded, so no. Okay, I'm going to show you some more sites. But remember, okay, you can have some of these done in minutes. Let's just say it took 15 to 30 minutes to create a logo, and then you can make hundreds of dollars off of it. So stay with me, okay? Okay, the second site is PeoplePerHour.com. And I did a search. If you click on search and do search freelancers design, just to give you an idea, 28 an hour, 28 an hour, 34 an hour. Let's go to the next one. Okay, Upwork.com. Now this one is pretty popular. And don't forget, you have to sign in on these sites, okay? I'd show you exactly how to do all of the sign in for every site. But y'all don't want to watch a 50-hour long video. So if we do logo design, Shelly can't spell. Logo oh my gosh. Okay, just a rough estimate. 50 an hour, 75 an hour, 90 an hour. You get the picture, right? And, don't think that, as soon as you get out here, you're going to be like, I'm going to make boodles of money right at the beginning. You have to get on here and just know that in the beginning it might be slow, or you might have to, do it for a little bit less money. But the longer that you do it, you build up your clientele and the site starts to trust you more and you're going to make more money. Okay, it's SEO Clerk.com. You can go on it and check this one out. Someone told me about it. I really don't know much about it, but it's supposed to be good for freelancers. Check it out. Okay, 99designs.com. Now, a friend of mine uses this one, and he says it's really good. I did a search for logos, and it came up with like logo and brand identity pack, logo business cards, logo, so you can use it. I would just get on here if you're interested and check it out. I'd get on here and, all of these I'm showing you, I would just pick a few and get out and just smash it and just get just a couple of them. And then once you're doing good, and then branch out. But this way you can have a few to choose from. And freelancer.com. Again, a friend of mine told me about this one because I was trying to get as many as an example for you as I could, but I've never used it. So like I said, get on, check it out. I know Upwork.com, I've used it, and then PeoplePerHour. So, you might check out, some of the more known ones first. But I didn't want you, kind of like you can put, your gig out on Fiverr, but I didn't want you to have to, I did not want you to have to fight against a whole lot of other people so you can get out there and start making money. Do me a favor. If you've liked so far how to make money online for free worldwide, give this video a like. It helps me, helps the algorithm. But if you're thinking, you know what, Shelly, this really isn't for me and it's not that passive, I would really like to do something else. Well, what I do is affiliate marketing. And I have the best way for you to get started and literally change your life. I, believe it or not, was a senior network engineer. Yes, with like degrees. Oh my gosh. And now this is what I do. And I help you do the same thing because I got laid off and I had nowhere to turn. So I turned to online. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So if you're interested in doing something that's more passive and more, I'd say would be more stable. And especially if you're not into logos, which I do think is really freaking cool. It's going to be the first link in the bio. So check it out and do me a favor. If you've liked this video, then you're going to like the next video on the screen. Watch it and I'll see you on the next one.